Channel right now that YouTube cannot monetize. But before I go ahead and tell you this channel that YouTube cannot monetize right now as the newest update, YouTube has actually dropped an update as well. And the update they dropped this morning is, if anybody sent you a link and they said you should click on that link, please do not click on the link. You might have seen this update on your YouTube studio and you might not see it, and that's why I'm reminding you as well. So that is why it is important as it stands now. Do ensure to change the email that you're using here. What am I saying? I'm trying to say, if you have a YouTube channel and you have an email of that same channel attached to that YouTube as your business mail, please go and change it, because those people can actually use that particular email to scam your channel. So what they do basically is they send you a link and they act as if they are YouTubers or they are YouTube itself. And when you click on this link, these people will hijack your channel. With your two koro eyes, you'll be seeing your channel doing well, but you don't have any choice. You understand? So that's why you have to be 100% careful. Now, coming to the second point, why I said there are some content on YouTube that right now they cannot be monetized, and YouTube will not monetize this particular kind of channel. YouTube sent me a notification this morning with the last video I uploaded, and they said that the content violated their YouTube rules and regulation. But when I looked at it, I was like, no, this content did not violate, and I had to appeal. So I appealed, and it didn't even take up to 7 minutes or 10 minutes approximately, and the content was restored back to YouTube, which is I can monetize the content, right? And I've also have this backlash as well on documents. I did video I did on documents you need to monetize your YouTube channel, whereby YouTube told me that the documents were not properly closed, that they were exposed. And when I went back and I watched those videos, and I feel like, no, this is not it. And I sent an appeal as well, and everything was sorted out. This is for me that knows what I'm doing. Just imagine I sent an appeal and I knew that this content actually violated. I'm going to be having like a bounce back, you understand? Now, I have this channel as well. It's a comedy channel, and he wanted to apply for monetization, so he reached out to me that I should check. And when I checked his content, I was like, your content are comedy content, but some of the contents are violating. You understand? They are his own personal content, but they are violating. Sorry, I won't mention names because they are people's privacy, right? So they are violating. And I told him, you can't monetize this content, because even if you go ahead and monetize, at the end of the day, you're going to be having issues. And he felt bad anyways. I know he felt bad. And then he went to reach out to other content creators, and they told him that yes, he can go ahead and monetize the accounts. And finally, he monetized the account, and the account was rejected. So he sent me a notification that the account was rejected, and they said harmful, violation, substance, stuff like that. You know, when he's trying to like act comedy, and he's trying to like use other, like, to him is not harmful, but it was not well illustrated to YouTube, and that is one thing about YouTube. And at the end of the day, I really felt for him, because the journey of 2 to 3 years or 2 to 4 years right now is just shattered. You understand? For him to be able to adjust everything, he has to go and sort out his content one after the other, remove those ones that are violating. And you can imagine, if 4,000 watch hours are in the hands of those contents will just go with the 4,000 watch hour, and at the end of the day, he will start struggling for another 4,000 watch hour. That is why I want you out there to be safe. And another kind of content, again, for those ones that are creating vlogs that YouTube cannot monetize, if you're fond of exposing yourself in your vlog content, showing all these your cleavages, you know, all this your breastologies, and I don't know how to pronounce them, but you know what I'm trying to say. So be careful, because YouTube rules and regulation is becoming tougher as this goes by. And apart from it being tougher, a lot of channels are not being monetized as I'm talking to you currently. Like, a lot. I know a lot of channels that I've reviewed, and at the end of the day, they are doing well, but they can't get monetized. So they have to start sorting themselves out one after the other. You have to be very, very careful. And if you have children around, right, please be careful with what your children show in their video, okay? I saw a particular content that the lady, she showed her baby's bum on her YouTube vlog videos when she was doing vlog, and at the end of the day, as if I knew, I told her that I can't monetize this, and she thought maybe I was joking, and obviously she was not able to get monetized. You understand? And she has to wait for another good 3 months. You see, that's why we tell you guys that you need to come, let's check your channel and see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus and what we can add. Because one thing I don't do is that I don't sugarcoat words. If it's not working, it's not working. If it's not good, it's not good. You understand? I don't need to start painting it so that you feel happy. And at the end of the day, I will tell you go and apply, or I will help you and apply, and you'll be rejected. You will feel so bad. So you have to be very careful with your content. And if you're still doubting, you don't even know how to even put this, or what is even violating or what is not violating, this is where you can personally reach out to me with my mail, just with a few token, faithonja3195@gmail.com, with this flyer displaying on the screen, where I personally go into your channel to check what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add, so that your monetization journey will be seamless and it will be sweet, so that you don't have to be going back and forth with what you're just supposed to do once. You understand? So send us a mail today. A lot of people reach out to me and tell me, Vibes, just check my channel and see what is really happening. Like, are my videos okay? Like, is my YouTube studio okay? What am I doing wrong? Is the settings okay as well? And before you know, we correct one or two things and everybody is good to go. You go on your way. So even if you cannot even if you don't even want to do anyone, at least just that $10, pay that $10, me then check your channel. It is very, very important. Anyways, I leave you to make decisions to that with these flyers that is displayed on the screen and the mail as well. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, I do like always say in my videos, I'm going to be simple, and I'll see you guys in my next one. I said, let me give you guys this update. So subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye. I love you guys.